Turin, located in the northern Piedmont region of Italy, is known for its rich history, art, and culture. Here are some must-visit spots and foods to try during your trip to Turin. 1. Mole Antonelliana. This iconic landmark is a symbol of Turin and home to the National Cinema Museum. 2. Piazza Castello, a central square in Turin with historic buildings, cafes, and shops. 3. Royal Palace of Turin. This former residence of the Royal House of Savoy now houses a museum of art and history. 4. Egyptian Museum of Turin, one of the most important museums of Egyptian artifacts in the world. 5. Superga Basilica, a beautiful church atop a hill that provides stunning views of the city. Foods to try. 1. Bagna Cauda, a warm dip made of anchovies, garlic, and olive oil, often served with vegetables for dipping. 2. Agnolotti, small pasta pockets filled with meat or cheese and served in a buttery sauce. 3. Grissini, thin, crispy breadsticks that originated in Turin. 4. Gianduja, a chocolate hazelnut spread that is a specialty of the Piedmont region. 5. Barolo wine, a red wine made from the Nebbiolo grape that is produced in the nearby town of Barolo. Enjoy your trip to Turin and the delicious food it has to offer. Thanks for watching.